Hi, I'm Aldi of the SeAHABS Dev Team. Welcome again to the SeAHABS Training Course 1. Today, I'll teach you to access SeAHABS Viewer using a QR code in a Viber app. Look for the Viber icon on your mobile phone and click on it. Then click the More menu, then look for the QR code icon on the upper right corner of the profile page. Scan the SeAHABS Viewer QR code, and then on the pop screen, click Open. Now the SeAHABS Viewer will start to load. Then wait for it to load completely. Once it is loaded completely, a splash screen will appear showing announcement regarding data outages or maybe new features of the SeAHABS Viewer. After reading it, click OK. And that's it. That's how easy to access the SeAHABS Viewer using a QR code on your mobile phone on a Viber app. If you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to post on our Stream tab or our Freedom wall. And don't forget to navigate, explore, and share the SeAHABS Viewer. See you in the next session!